In this video, we will go over how to solve two-step equations. Our goal is going to be to isolate the variable. In this case, our variable is the letter A. I think it is good practice for us to identify what is happening to the variable so that we can do the inverse operation to undo those. So I notice that I am multiplying A with 5, and then I am adding 7. So once I identified what I did to the variable, I want to work from the bottom up to undo those operations. And in order to undo an operation, we have to do the opposite. So because I added 7, the opposite would be to subtract 7. So I'm going to subtract 7 on both sides. Remember that both sides means on the left side of the equal sign and the right side of the equal sign. We cannot subtract 7 with the 5a because those are not like terms. The a is not the same as having just a number. Then we are going to simplify. So 2 minus 7 is negative 5, and positive 7 minus 7 cancels out to just 0. So I am left with 5a. Now I want to undo the multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is to divide by 5. I am going to use the fraction bar to simplify to divide, and I need to subtract 5 on both sides. Notice that I did the opposite operation, but the numbers stayed the same. I dealt with 7 and 5. So negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1, so A equals 1. Remember, you can check your work by plugging in your answer into the original equation. So I can replace 2, the A, with the number negative 1, and I should be able to simplify this to get 2. So if I were to go ahead and simplify, I would end up with negative 5 plus 7. Negative 5 plus 7 does equal 2 because the two sides are actually the same. They are balanced, so my answer has to be correct.